Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. I'm here at My Pilates Haven, and I want to talk to you about table and the Wunda chair. I do have another video on how to do table, and you can check it out in the Wunda chair playlist. But I want to talk about two different ways to work with your pelvis and table to help strengthen your body so that your leg pulls on the mat are actually getting stronger, your push-ups on the reformer are getting stronger, and it kind of allows you to not stick to like one thought process because it really depends on the body, right? So for me, I had to take away the idea that my hips had to be super high so that I could get more length in my back, more connection to my center, and more work for my seat so that I could do my leg pull front on the mat. Otherwise, if I lift my hips up as high as they're supposed to be, then I go right into my knees. So table, heels together, toes apart, one top, one bottom spring is traditional. But you can play with it. I also have done it with one middle, one bottom on a strong day. That's actually better for me to have a little less support. So you want to keep your elbows slightly soft, especially if you're a hyperextender. And then the goal is to take the body weight that way. So as I lift myself up, I'm going to reach forward. Now, in theory, I was always taught my hips to be way up here. But for right now, it's actually better that my hips are right here. And then I can connect to my back with my arms. And then I do the pumps of the pedal. And I'm trying not to let my pelvis go down with my pedal. I'm trying to keep my pelvis where it is. And then after 10, you come up. Woo, that always makes my hamstring cramp and my seat work. So I actually can feel that more. So then someday, yes, it would be amazing if I was way up here. But there's no point in being way up here if when I go to pump, I fall out of it, right? Or I have to lean back. So my theory is try to get yourself up to the ideal. And if you do that, but you're not really feeling anything except for like that you're in your hands or you're in your shoulders, lower your hips, pull them underneath you a little bit more, and then try to keep the pelvis still. So again, you can go up to here, and if you can do it, great. But if you are struggling with your leg pulls on the mat, be here. And then keep the weight over the pedal and really focus on keeping everything working there. And what I love about the table is that the arms reaching to the chair help connect you to your back. You will need them in the leg pull up as well. And so the more you can connect to them here with your pelvis in that position, it's going to be so great when you go do your leg pull front on the mat. You're just going to be like, woo, kick the leg up, the seat's going to be working for you and your center is going to be holding you up so strongly. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching this. For more tips from me, please subscribe below, and you can always comment with any of your questions or requests. Thank you.